Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our style journey. So in today's video I will share with you some most demanding and most beautiful midi dress designs ideas and skater dress designs ideas, frock designs ideas for girls, for college going girls. So you will find mainly the plain chiffon georgette dresses, the medium length dresses, the skater dresses, a-line dress designs and frocks. So there are a lot of beautiful designs ideas are coming up next in this video. There are a lot of beautiful dresses. To get designing ideas from these dresses, just watch the video till the end. There are a lot of ideas are coming up next in this video. So these are the dresses that are the must-haves, the colors, the color ideas you will get from this video, the designing ideas you will grab from this video, and you will know which type of dresses are trending in fashion these days, which type of dress designing will suit you the most in especially the plain dresses. So there are a lot of ideas of sleeve designs, the whole dress designs and the neck designs, and the a-line dresses are just looking amazing and sophisticated. So these are the must have in your wardrobe if you are just love to do parties. So you must have these dresses in if you love to be if you love to do a minimalistic dressing. So this is an awesome option for you guys. So for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are looking amazing, all of them are unique and beautiful. So my dear viewers, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful and helpful for you. So guys, if you're loving these amazing and beautiful dresses, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring you some videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how is the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.